Hi everyone. There is a very common problem that I come across at this point of time from the students is that how to study without worrying rank and marks in grand test. So a lot of you have started writing the grand test and you are comparing your marks with your peers that such and such person is scoring so many marks and in spite of reading I am not able to do that. So in this mom session I will be talking about how can you still write the grand test, how can you still study without worrying about anything. Okay, so now let us start this mom session, which is motivation and orientation for MCQ exam. Okay, so now the commonest problem that we are facing in our life is we are competing with different people. When I was preparing for my exam, I have never compared myself with anybody else. I always believed that my mirror is my biggest competitor. So that means I am not competing with A person, B person, C person. I am competing with myself. Whenever you are writing a test, you should improve on each passing day, and that should be your motive. That's all. I'm telling you, the life become very, very simple. You will be motivated to work forward. Otherwise, you will always find people who are behind you. You will always find people who are ahead you. Okay, you never look at the people who are behind you. You always try to look at the people who are ahead you. Even Mukesh Ambani looks at the people who are ahead of them. We are not supposed to do that at this point of time. Only thing that we have to do is I have to improve on each passing day. That means if I am scoring 125 correct out of 300, now I should move to 140, I should move to 150, I should move to 170. I should not see what my friend is scoring. I should not see whether my friend is scoring 200 or whether my friend is scoring 180 at this point of time. I should improve on each passing day. Okay. Now, why I'm telling you this particular part? Because your final competition is with your friend only. Okay. See, everybody has got different expectation. If I ask you at this point of time that what do you want, everybody will say that I want to get rank 1 in the exam. But that is not gonna happen practically with everyone. That is dependent on the amount of hard work the one has done over a period of time. It is not the hard work of 2 months. If you are aiming for the rank 1, it is not gonna be for the 2 months hard work. It is your hard work that you have done over a period of time during your MBBS and after that if you are dropping that particular year. So the point is, but it is not that if you will not get rank 1, everything is over. All that matters in a PG entrance exam is you are able to reach to your peak. You are able to get what you want in your life, be it a qualification, be it the branch of your choice, be it the college of your choice, or be it whatever that you have thought for yourself at that point. So we have to reach to that peak, and that will come when you are improving on each passing day. You should peak at the right time. There should not be any plateau. 125, 140, 150, 160, 180, and till whatever peak that we are able to reach, we will go to that point. Okay, we will not be relaxed right now. What we will have to pull our socks. The exam you don't know is not very far, the exam is not very close, and that is the time where the motivation is required. Those people who remain motivated, who remain close to their dream, they are able to see their dream, they are able to achieve that. Those who think ki chalo yaar ho jayega, or yeah, I am not able to do that, okay, let's leave it. That is the biggest challenge, and that is something that should not happen at this point of time. So guys, don't compare yourself with anybody. Your mirror should be the biggest competitor. Try to improve on each passing day. Identify your mistakes, work on them, that why you are committing that particular mistake. It should not be repeated in the future exam. Keep writing the test, keep revising the stuff. If you're missing something, identify why you're missing that particular point. It is a good point to make down a short notebook where you are writing your forgettable stuff, and that forgettable stuff should be revised again and again so that you're not missing those points. Okay, stay positive, Do not believe in any rumors that you're gonna see that the exam is getting postponed, this is getting postponed. Just stay focused with your reading. Even if it is getting postponed, it is getting postponed for everybody. If it is not getting, it is not getting for everybody. So these rumors will start coming now. Do not believe in those rumors. You know the exam date as of now. If there will be a change, we will let you know. But please stay focused, stay determined, stay true to your dream. Identify that this is the time by which you have to finish that particular point. Do not worry too much about backlogs. They're gonna be there. Do not worry about them. Let's try to finish the course on the time that you have decided, and we will finish that once that particular timeline is done. I am with you. Everybody is with you. The God is with you. Just believe on yourself, and I'm sure you all will do very well in the exam. Okay. Take care and all the best.